Hello guys, good day. Arnold here, Custom DIY, to give you some update on where we are at the moment on our Philippine-made kayak project. So far, we're doing good. We're on track to finish this next week, and I am very positive of that. We also start looking at how we're gonna put this on the water. Already have some thoughts on that as well. I just need somebody to put this that together. So yeah, the kayak is forming and shaping to what it needs to be. We've done all the seaming. We still have to reinforce the seam with fiberglass, and we're going to do some resin coating of the inside hull. Making sure all that exposed plywood will be covered. We're going to do the top deck, the gunnel, and we're going to muck around where we're going to position our rod holder. We also going to do a little bit adjustment in way of the pedal drive slot, making sure it will not create any problem during operation. So yeah, we're getting close to finish next week. We're going to fiberglass the whole kayak, and we'll see that from there. Anyway, we'll give you some feedback again in next 3 days. So please, just stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Okay. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. I need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got